Hello and welcome to my channel. Trust you're doing well and thriving. So today's recipe is a simple but very nutritious, refreshing and an all-in-one juice that your body will truly love. This juice will need 3 large carrots, a thumb of ginger, 2 large oranges, honey or sweetener of choice, turmeric or turmeric powder, and cinnamon powder. To start out, I grated the carrots and ginger to make it easier for my tiny blender to blend, but if you have a more powerful blender, feel free to blend it whole. So now we'll put all the ingredients into the blender except the oranges and honey. Then we add about a liter of water more or less and blend until smooth. And then we'll place a sieve over a clean jar and strain out the juice. I love to save the pulp and use it in pancakes and smoothies for extra fiber, but you can throw yours out if you want to. So now we'll go ahead and juice the oranges. Feel free to use whatever you have at home to extract the orange juice. Finally, we'll combine the orange juice with the strained juice and add honey or a sweetener of choice and mix until well combined. And here you have an all-in-one juice, great for your eyes, your skin, your heart, your tummy. Your whole body will love this. Simply pour into a glass cup and enjoy. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please click on the like button, subscribe, and also share with your friends. See you in the next video. God bless. Bye.